Shilparamam is beautifully lit and all decorated for the festive season. If you're looking to shop for the festivals, for Dussehra and Diwali, this is a great time because there's a lot of stalls from different parts of the country. You'll see beautiful handicrafts and a lot of handlooms and handmade products, and these are perfect for the festive season. So this is a great time to shop, and you'll see some of those permanent stalls which are there throughout the year, but there's also some stalls set up specifically for the festive season for Dussehra and Diwali. There was a Gujarati festival going on, but apart from that also there's a lot of stalls which have festive collection, very apt for Dussehra and Dandiya season, perfect for Navaratris and even usual festive wear. Couple of stalls are specifically meant for this Navaratri. There's beautiful Kutch work on these. There's one stall with beautiful Kutch work detailing. So they have stoles, kurtas, accessories and blouses and a lot of different varieties. Everything here is so beautiful. This stall is slightly pricey if you're looking for clothing, especially kurtas, sarees or stoles. But their accessories are actually very beautiful and pretty decently priced. The price from around 200 to 400. You can bargain a little bit, and they have like a very colorful and beautiful accessories, very apt for the upcoming Navaratris. And if you're looking for an outfit and accessories for Dandiya, then this is a great place to find them. There's a lot of stalls like this which have some really beautiful accessories, perfect for the Navaratris. Look at these belts. They have beautiful mirror work and some Kutch work and embroidery detailing. These will go really well. Even if you have like a plain skirt, you can pair it up with some of these belts. And there's a lot of stalls with beautiful silver jewelry and the boho style jewelry and accessories. There's a lot of stalls which have colorful accessories this time because of the festive season. There's stalls from different parts of India, so you'll see a lot of different variety during this festive season. I absolutely love these accessories. There's a lot of beautiful variety to see. And these clutches are so stunning. You'll see a couple of different stalls hosting them. So stalls in the beginning usually price them high, but as you go inside, you'll see similar ones and you can bargain a little bit. And of course, because this Navaratri season, there's a lot of beautiful skirts that you can pair for the Dandiya nights. They have beautiful sets. You'll also find sizes up to like XXL and XXL, and some of these have half-stitched or unstitched fabrics as well. And the skirts have elastic, so if you're looking for plus size also, then you'll be able to find them. And you can ask for half-stitched skirts and fabrics if you're looking for something in that style. There's some stalls which have beautiful Patola, Dupattas and sarees, and as you know, these are priced very high, but then if you're looking specifically for these, then there's a couple of those stalls as well. They have a lot of beautiful sarees and dupattas here, and the prices start I think around 8,000 for the dupattas, and for the sarees they go up to like 80,000. These are the authentic Patola sarees. And we also have Kalamkari stalls, a lot of them. Some of these stalls have these Kanchivaram sarees, very beautiful weaves with hand painted Kalamkaris. We have dupattas in cottons and other fabrics for party wear as well. So you'll see a lot of products. You'll see a lot of different styles even in these Kalamkari stalls. These are patchworks which can be used on kurtas or dresses, or you can frame them up as home decor pieces. There's a lot of options here in the Kalamkari stalls as well. I also spotted the stall which had Pichika style sari, and I will also leave the contact details in case you're looking to order on WhatsApp. This was pretty affordable, around 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees, and you can bargain it down. I also spotted a lot of bags which are similar to the ones that you see on Zook. These are perfect for everyday use, for office or college. A lot of home decor and decorative items because it's festive season. And of course, if you're looking for casual wear kurtas and chikankaris, there's a lot of these stalls as well. So I spotted a lot of these casual wear kurtas and even party wear kurtas, and you'll find sizes up to like XL and double XL. And in the chikankari stalls, you'll find usual cottons, kotas, and a lot of Georgette kurtas as well with some mirror work, and they have sizes up to 52. So if you are looking for chikankari kurtas, then there's a couple of these stalls as well. Then there's Narayanpet cotton dresses. There's a lot more of these Kalamkari kurtas and chikankari kurtas. And I did spot some of these stalls which have kind of western wear dresses, but they were quoting pretty high. They were quoting around 800 to 1000 for dresses, which I think is very, very pricey. And there's a lot of other stalls with Kalamkari kurtas and Kalamkari dress material sets as well. A lot of festive wear, and of course, not to mention the home decor pieces and the crockery. There's a whole section dedicated to this, and I also saw these brass idols. Again, perfect for the festive season. If you're looking to place something in your foyer, in your puja room, then this is great. Again, these are priced pretty high. The brass vessels start from around 2000, and the idols are actually quite expensive, but you can do some bargaining, and you'll be able to find some really good pieces, very unique ones here. So that was everything at Shilparamam this time. I did not get to shop much. I didn't pick up a lot of things, but I do have a haul coming up. You'll see a part 2 of this. I did go back again, so you'll see another video very soon, and do let me know if you like to see a haul. So that was everything at Shilparamam this time. So that was the festive collection, and do let me know in the comments below if you've been to Shilparamam for the festive shopping, and let me know what other videos you would like to watch for the festive season. Do subscribe to this channel and also find me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.